Welcome to Pure Vital Life, where we unlock ancient secrets for strength, balance, and vitality for men over 60 years old. As we age, the connection between our brain and muscles can fade, leading to instability and a fear of falling down. This loss of proprioception acts like a broken GPS system, making simple movements feel uncertain and dangerous for many older adults. However, you can rebuild this vital connection and reclaim your stability without heavy weights or gym equipment, starting right here today. We will explore 3 traditional Japanese exercises designed to improve balance, leg strength, and brain muscle coordination in just 3 weeks. These movements are not about building bulk, but about refining the subtle communication between your nervous system and your physical body. By dedicating just 10 minutes a day, you can turn back the clock on your biological age and move with confidence. Let us begin our journey with the first ancient practice, a rhythmic routine that has kept Japan moving for generations. Our first exercise is Radio Taiso, a method originally broadcast over the radio to synchronize the nation and wake up bodies. Radio Taiso is not just exercise, it is a cultural ritual that wakes up the nervous system and energizes the spirit. The primary benefit is awakening your proprioception, which is essentially the internal GPS system that tells your body where it is. To perform this, stand with good posture and swing your arms naturally, allowing your knees to bounce softly with the rhythm. Breathing is the bridge between mind and body. Inhale deeply as you reach up and exhale completely as you swing down. This movement releases tension in the shoulders and chest, areas that often become stiff and restricted as we get older. Incorporate gentle side stretches to open up the rib cage and improve the flexibility of your spine and hip joints. Keep your feet planted firmly. Feel how your weight shifts from side to side, training your body to manage instability. Practicing this for just 2 minutes every morning sends a clear signal to your brain that your body is ready. Pause for a moment. Feel the blood circulating and the tingling sensation in your fingertips. This is your life energy flowing. Unlike static stretching, this dynamic movement primes your neural pathways, making it the perfect start to any day of activity. Hydration is key. Take a small sip of water or tea before we move on to building our structural foundation. Now that we are warm, we move to the second exercise, which focuses on raw power and stability of the legs. We draw inspiration from the sumo wrestlers. Their training relies heavily on a specific stance known as Shikodachi or sumo squat. Shikodachi strengthens the lower body foundation, opens the hips, and activates the small stabilizer muscles around your knees and ankles. To perform this, widen your stance and lower your center of gravity. Imagine sitting down while keeping your back perfectly straight. This deep stance forces your hips to open. It counteracts the stiffness caused by sitting in chairs for long periods. Ensure your knees do not collapse inward. Push them out towards your pinky toes to engage the glutes and protect joints. Hold this position for 10 seconds. You will feel a burn in your thighs. This is your muscles waking up and strengthening. Shikodachi builds what the Japanese call koshi, the physical center of the body. A strong center means a balanced life. Rise slowly to recover, then descend again. Do not rush. The magic happens in the control of the descent and ascent. This exercise targets the inner thighs and pelvic floor, crucial areas for stability that are often neglected in standard workouts. Once you master the static hold, try shifting your weight from one leg to the other, testing your balance further. Do not underestimate the intensity. Even holding this for a few seconds stimulates bone density and muscle growth in the legs. Release the stance and shake your legs gently. You have just poured concrete into the foundation of your body's structure. With regular practice, you will notice that walking on uneven ground becomes easier, and your fear of tripping will diminish. Our final exercise is a functional movement pattern that directly challenges your ability to transition from the floor to standing. Standing up from Seiza trains comprehensive motor coordination and balance control, essential skills for independence as we grow older. Start in a kneeling position. If this hurts your knees, place a soft cushion under them. Lift your hips up high. Step 1 foot forward confidently. Plant it firmly. This is the critical moment where balance is challenged the most. Focus your eyes on a fixed point ahead. Visual focus is a key component of maintaining physical balance during complex movements. The goal is to stand up without using your hands for support. Engage your core and push through the front heel. Rise with control. Do not use momentum to fling yourself up. Use the strength of your leg muscles to lift you. Now reverse the motion to kneel down and repeat with the other leg. We must train both sides of the body equally. This complex movement forces your brain to calculate weight distribution and muscle firing sequences rapidly, keeping your mind sharp. Safety is priority. Keep a sturdy chair nearby. Use it for support initially until you build the strength to go hands-free. Repeat this 5 times on each leg. It is functionally the most important exercise for maintaining independence in your daily life. Standing tall after Seiza represents the ability to rise above challenges. It signifies resilience and the refusal to become frail. These 3 exercises, Radio Taiso for nerves, Shikodachi for strength, and Seiza stand-up for coordination, form a complete triad of health. Commit to this routine for just 3 weeks. The body adapts quickly, and you will feel the difference in your stability. Imagine having the energy to play with your grandchildren, to travel and to explore the world without the fear of falling. It is not about living forever, but about living fully. Your later years can be your strongest years if you train wisely. Stairs will no longer be an obstacle. Uneven pavements will no longer be a threat. You are reclaiming your physical freedom. Balance is not just for exercise, it is for cooking, cleaning, and living. Every movement becomes an opportunity to practice. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop. But if you feel effort, push through. That effort is growth happening. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Adopt this mindset. Slow, consistent progress is better than rushing and getting injured. Keep a journal of your progress. Note how your balance improves. Celebrating small victories releases dopamine and keeps you motivated. Inspire those around you. When your family sees your dedication and improvement, they too will be encouraged to value their health. Let us review. Shikodachi grounds you. It connects your hips to the earth and builds the pillars of your body's temple. Radio Taiso flows through you. It ensures your nerves are firing correctly and your brain is communicating clearly with your limbs. And the Seiza stand-up proves your mastery. It confirms that you have the coordination to handle any change in your position. Respect your body, respect the practice. This discipline is a gift you give to your future self every single day. As the sun sets, remember that tomorrow offers another chance to improve. Consistency is the secret ingredient to all success. You do not have to accept frailty as a natural part of aging. You have the power to rewrite your story. Science confirms that muscle tissue can regenerate and strengthen at any age. It is never too late to start this journey. Look in the mirror and see a man of strength. Believe in your body's ability to heal, adapt, and grow stronger. Just as a single drop creates ripples, your daily practice creates waves of health that extend to every aspect of life. A strong body houses a sharp mind. The increased blood flow from these exercises also nourishes your brain and cognitive functions. 3 weeks. That is the challenge. Give us 3 weeks of your time, and we will give you back your confidence. Breathe in strength, breathe out fear. Let this mantra guide you through each repetition and each day of your new life. If you struggle at first, do not despair. Every stumble is a lesson. Every effort is a deposit in your health bank. We are on this journey together. You are part of a community of men striving for vitality and strength in later years. If you found value in this video, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more ancient wisdom to you. Share this video with a friend or loved one who needs to regain their balance. Let us build a stronger generation. Check out our other videos for more tips on nutrition, flexibility, and longevity secrets from cultures around the world. Remember, age is just a number. Vitality is a choice. Make the right choice today and every day or moving forward. Thank you for watching Pure Vital Life. Stay strong, stay balanced, and live fully. We will see you in the next video.